Hi, in this video, I will show you on how you can make a fraction in Canva. If you are showing some math symbol, especially fraction, unfortunately, Canva doesn't have a native feature that allows you to do that. We need a different approach. So one way to create a proper fraction is by using a third-party app. So go to apps and search for equation. That's the name of the app that we are going to use. Click on that. This is the app. Okay, and it's actually created by Canva. Make sure it is the one that's created by Canva and click open. Okay, now we just wait. Well, I apologize for the slow internet connection. I seem to have an issue with that. Anyway, now the app has been loaded and we are ready to insert some fraction. The simple fraction that we can try is on the basic option right here. There is an a over x. We're going to click on it and we can start modifying the number. So it's going to be 1 and then 2. So it's 0.5. Click insert equation. Oh, by the way, you can change the color as well. And when you're done, you can click insert equation. And there you go. Now, the problem with this technique is that it's probably going to be a bit more difficult to modify the look of the text because this is essentially no longer a regular text. You cannot click on it and then modify the number. You have to do it through this app, and there is not much we can do here. It's okay if you just want to show some basic fraction, but if you care a lot with the consistency of the design, then you probably want to try a different approach. So another approach is by using a third-party website. The one that I do recommend is this website from lights0123.com/fractions, or you can go to Google and search for the keyword fraction copy. When you find a fraction copy, you will see this website on the number 1. Usually they're going to be in the number 1 spot. Anyway, here's how you can use it. Let's say I want to create a fraction 3 over k. And when you're done, you'll see there's this symbol and that we can copy right away. And after that, we can paste the text to Canva. Let's say I want to change this text. I want to use the number that I copied before. I'm going to remove it and I'm going to paste that text. As you can see, the style of the text remains the same, and that is very important for a design consistency. So maybe this is not the best method, not the perfect, not the fastest, but it really depends on what is your goal when it comes to creating a fraction. Do you care more about just the number or simplicity, or do you care more about the look of your design? In any case, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you on the next video.